Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I will take a couple of trades and I will explain each and every single trade. This is a third touch breakout, but we don't have higher high and it didn't work here. I was planning to take this trade, but I saw that we don't have a higher high compared to previous high. So if I want to take a third touch breakout, I should have the higher high compared to previous high after second touch. And then if the price is breaking the level, I can take it. Also, I have to have other reasons to take it. It's not only trading. We don't ever trade only on one reason. Okay, so that was it. Okay, we have third touch breakout here as well. You can see that second touch, first touch, and then lower low compared to previous low, broken. We have gap up as a confirmation, and this would be takeable, right? This would be takeable. Yeah, we have a lot of good missed opportunities. That's why I think today's market is good. We have this order block. See how beautiful it reacted from. Let me just mark everything. When I say I check market before my session, this is what I exactly mean. I check the previous setups that they worked or worked not, or haven't worked, to see how healthy the market is. Okay. All right. The entry was on 30-second and market reacted like that. See. All right. Now I'm going to just look for other opportunities to see if I can find my first trade. Okay, I want to take this buy. It's stuck. Recently my connection's been bad, man. Come on. Okay. Now I want to take this trade. Okay, let me just take it with margin of safety. We have a very good uptrend. And I thought, since we have the retracement for the engulf, we may have a green candle, which seems that it's been a bad idea. That's fine. I will just keep looking for another opportunity. All right, the doji hasn't broken yet. I will wait for this doji to be broken after this candle closes above it, and I will take the next trade with the sellers. We have this supply area as well. Okay, we have this QM. That's another. Okay, we don't have engulf, then I'm not going to take this. Higher time frame engulf is very important for QMs. We have another QM here, you see that? And I will check the engulf. Yes, we have 5-minute engulfing pattern for that QM. And if I go to lower time frame, I should see an entry above the zone. Yes, see. Yes, I see that. This is the entry above the zone, and you go to 1 minute. Let's check the, yeah. So the entry is outside the engulfing candle, so it makes it a bit risky. But still, I may take it. I don't know. We have also common point of rejection for this market. Yeah, this common point of rejection looks very good. All right, I drew this common point of rejection for this one. We are in the support area, so I'm expecting this one work well compared to this one. Let's see, I'll take, come on. We have also the gap down in the favor of buyers, so this one could give me a very good result. Come on. Let's go. I got 2 trades on this one. I'm expecting a rejection, especially because we are in a support area, and also this support area is a very good fresh demand area. Look at this one. That was a winning trade. Nice. Alright. Very good demand area. And demand area causing this much of breakout, and now we have the common point of rejection, and while we have the market direction with buyers. All right. Okay, we have a third touch breakout, but it looks very bad. I wouldn't normally take this, and I will not take it unless I can take the risk. Look at this common point of rejection. How nicely it rejected. Okay, so I will take a small one on this one because it's so risky, and I will check the 5-second confirmation for this. I want to see if we have a buyer's activity in lower scale. Nope, we don't. Okay, I'm gonna take this at 250 because that's risky. This is only a third touch breakout, strong momentum, strong candles coming down, and that's why I take it with 250 because that's risky. Now we'll just keep looking for other opportunities. Seems as this is going to be a winning trade, but that doesn't matter. This is still a bad trade. Okay, it was a losing trade. I probably want to take a 5-minute break. Yeah, I'll be back.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I'm back again. It's always good to take a break and come back fresh. I kind of want to take this. This is exactly closing on a round number. This is a QM area as well. We have this engulf for that QM, and we are in the QM entry. That was a winning trade. I think I'm gonna stop. Okay, we hit 11k again. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me, and also make sure you join the Telegram channel. The trading competition will start on 26th January, and the entry is free. Thank you for watching, everyone, and peace out.